Connect wall cap part 1, A, and part 2, B, using small socket head screws, F, and tiny hex key, G. Repeat to create a second wall cap. Use a stud finder to mark the center of a stud. Place a wall cap and confirm it is level. Mark screw hole locations with a screw tip, with one hole over the stud and the other hole over drywall. Pre-drill one hole at the mark on the drywall. Insert a drywall anchor, I, into the hole. Drill the wall cap with one screw, J, into the drywall anchor, and one wood screw, H, into the stud. Assemble the remaining parts except for the top corrugated piece. Using socket head screw L and large hex key M, attach the parts you just assembled to the previously installed wall cap. Ensure the product is level, then mark screw hole locations with a screw tip. Unscrew to take the product down temporarily, leaving just the lower wall cap installed. Attach the upper wall cap by repeating the previous wall cap installation instructions. Slip the final corrugated piece, E, onto the structure. Slide it into place between the two wall caps. Secure using a socket head screw and large hex key on each end.